Post-pandemic traveler here again in Seminyak Square, Bali, at the mall right near Seminyak Square. And I just want to give you guys a little bit of an update on one of the common scams in Bali as well as in Indonesia that you have to watch out for. And it's polo shops. You wouldn't believe it, but they have a lot of polo Ralph Lauren shops here that look legitimate, really look legitimate. They're in great malls. They have good signage. The clothes look really legitimate, but they're quite underpriced for what you're seeing. Like, I saw a hoodie and it was something I would have got in Australia, and it was actually like, they said discount, but it was at like $40 Australian, $40 AUD. So that's 400,000 Indonesian rupiah, and that's insane. Like, even on special in a DFO, direct factory outlet in Australia, you would be finding Ralph Lauren hoodies such as that, same quality, reasonably same quality, and you would never be paying less than $100. So if you see any polo Ralph Lauren shops in Indonesia in general, they are definitely all fake. I've looked it up, and Polo Ralph Lauren has actually taken them to court, but somehow managed to lose because they say that the clothing is not a copy, it's just very similar but of a lower value. And in Asia, sometimes money talks, and they do not care about Polo Ralph Lauren. They have corruption here, so watch out for these kind of stores. Alright, post-pandemic traveler here. I'll be talking a little bit about some other scams in later videos, so please follow my channel to see a few more things you have to watch out for in Bali. Alright, thanks guys.